Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly.
Hello, I'm Jona Rose. Welcome to my comprehensive review of the AnkerMake phone app. For those who don't know, I've been using the AnkerMake M5 exclusively for the last 90 days. After 90 days and 100 plus prints, I've gathered some insights that I'd love to share. Let's start with the basics. Whether it's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, the connection process is smooth, ensuring that I can get started without any hitches. Navigating the app is pretty straightforward with three main tabs.
The Devices tab.
The Explore tab, and the Me tab.
The Devices tab
is the heart of the app, providing both static and real-time information about your printer, real-time info and controls. During active prints, you have the capability to tweak settings like heat and temperature. Plus, pausing prints is just a tap away. There are features for bed and nozzle preheating, printer movement controls like homing access controls, and even settings for extrusion and auto leveling. Real-time camera feeds offer visibility, recording functions, and camera settings, allowing you to monitor your prints closely. Plus, with the camera feature, you can keep an eye on your print without being in the same room. There are additional features. Within the device settings, represented by a gear icon, you can rename your printer, manage Wi-Fi connections, and control the printer's sharing. Next up is the Me tab, a personal corner in the app. Here, you'll find stored time lapses with options to view, delete, or even share them. It's essentially a hub for settings and personal info, ensuring you have quick access to everything you might need. The Explore tab. The Explore tab is a treasure trove for enthusiasts. It's regularly updated with custom and designer STL files, ready to print designs, and more. Some designs featured here are also showcased in my Just Tap Print video series. Features that I skipped. While the app offers AI monitoring and warning sending, I haven't ventured there. These features aim to predict and alert about potential print failures. But from my experiences, I have mixed and bad reviews. The latest addition this year? A search function, making it easier than ever to discover non-AnkerMake projects, vastly expanding your project options. The conclusion and review. So after my extensive use, how do I rate the AnkerMake app? I confidently give it a 4 out of 5. The app continually evolves, maintaining a minimalist yet intuitive design. The features introduced this year have been game-changing, though there's always room for perfection. So what could be better? Even with this intuitive design and constant improvements, there's room for growth. I'd love to see a more organized Explore section, making project discovery even easier. Enhanced print history, detailing things like what did I print, filament weights, or total print times. Improved AI capabilities. The potential here is immense. My final thoughts? Summing it up, its commitment to updating and enhancing user experience is evident. It's not just about printing, it's about simplifying the complex world of 3D printing, and AnkerMake is right on track.